Are you feeling stressed out or overwhelmed or having trouble getting back to your normal self? Or are you recovering from emotional trauma or holding back from shame about your past? Caribbean Calcite can help you work through these feelings and move forward in positivity. It can also encourage a sense of peace, balance, and emotional stability that helps put any negative emotions into perspective and help let them go. During meditation or your manifestation practice, place a loose stone near you while you manifest, or hold this loose stone with you while you meditate. This will help you bring calmness and peace of mind, allowing you to fully relax and focus on your goals. Wear a piece of Caribbean Calcite jewelry. It will help you feel calm and self-aware while still giving your outfit a unique tropical feeling to it. It will also help center your thoughts and allow you to focus on more important things. A Caribbean Calcite tumbled stone with you throughout the day to act as a reminder that you can call upon peace and calmness whenever you need it. It also helps to ground and center your energy, making it easier for you to stay present in the moment. Place a piece of Caribbean Calcite in your home or workspace to bring a sense of harmony and balance and helping you stay focused and productive throughout the day. The energy of this stone is known for its calming effect and will help reduce stress levels. Keep a piece of Caribbean Calcite near your bed or in the bedroom for a calming energy that brings on relaxation and peace of mind while you're sleeping. This can help with insomnia, nightmares, or other sleeping issues. It can also aid in improving your sleep quality, create an enhanced perspective of your dreams, or even help with lucid dreaming. Cleanse. Caribbean Calcite is a really fragile crystal, as we know from its Mohs hardness scale that it grades at a 3. So smoke cleansing or full moon cleansing are our best options to cleanse your Caribbean Calcite. You can also use a selenite slab or a plate to cleanse this Caribbean Calcite crystal, but we do not suggest putting it in water. If you need to wash it physically, just take a damp cloth and just physically wash it, but do not place it in water. As you can see from the photos, it is fairly fragile. There's holes in it, cracks, crevices, and water will only make it worse and could cause your crystal to break.